are beginning with this breaking update that will affect what happens in Tamil Nadu. Now, the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi says that his party will be contesting for the upcoming Tamil Nadu elections.
Tamil Nadu will definitely contest. And tomorrow I will tell you one development is going to happen. I'll let you know by tomorrow.
Aligning with DMK is an option?
I will tell you tomorrow. Tamil Nadu will definitely contest. And tomorrow I will tell you one development is going to happen. I'll let you know by tomorrow.
Aligning with DMK is an option?
I will tell you tomorrow. Tamil Nadu will definitely contest. And tomorrow I will tell you one development is going to happen. I'll let you know by tomorrow.
Aligning with DMK is an option?
I will tell you tomorrow.
All right, Aneri is tracking that story closely for us right now. You know, Aneri, the very fact that AIM now has decided to contest the upcoming assembly elections in Tamil Nadu, first up, what really does that mean? And have we picked up absolutely any reactions yet from the DMK and the ADMK camps?
Well, Deepti, in regard with the AIMIM contesting in Tamil Nadu, yes, Asaduddin Owaisi has been speaking about it, that they will contest in Tamil Nadu. Well, now we have to see what kind of development and what kind of announcement. Whether it will be in regard with the alliance with any of the parties in the state of Tamil Nadu, and also whether Asaduddin Owaisi, AIMIM chief, will be contesting, will be also campaigning there. He had earlier also stated that he will definitely go to Tamil Nadu and also do campaigning there for the party. But yes,
for an official announcement to be made by the AIMIM chief in this regard. But yes, this is a big development coming in from AIMIM camp, that they will be now spreading across the country, now that Asaduddin Owaisi has very clearly stated that they will definitely go to Tamil Nadu and contest there. And also a big development waiting for tomorrow, where Asaduddin Owaisi has said that they will make an announcement in regard with the development tomorrow. We will have to wait and watch what kind of announcement would be made by Owaisi in this regard.
All right, and you know, Aneri, I think we must tell our viewers that the DMK right now is in alliance with the IUML, the MMK, and could this then affect the chances of the DMK picking up that particular vote bank? We are tracking that story, and yes, as Owaisi said, tomorrow he is expected to make one more announcement. For the moment, thank you.